Welcome to CyberNexus. Today, we will learn about some basic commands needed for our course. Let's start. Root User Permissions section. The root user, or superuser, has complete control over the system. With root permissions, you can install software, change system settings, and manage users. To switch to the root user, open your terminal and write sudo su. Now enter your password. And you have root permission. System Update and Upgrade section. After installing operating system, it's essential to keep your system updated. Firstly, for update, use command sudo apt update. System is updating, it will take a while. I'm stopping updating because it already updated. Now for upgrade, use sudo apt upgrade. Press Y for continue. System is upgrading, it will take more time than update. I'm stopping because I already upgraded. If you facing any issue, you can use sudo apt get update, sudo apt get upgrade. Directories and Files section. List files and directories. To list files and directories, use ls. This command lists all files and directories in the specified path. For example, I write ls and it's showing me folders. Creating a directory. To create a new directory, use mkdir. This command creates a new directory. For example, I want to create a new folder named CyberNexus. I am writing mkdir space CyberNexus of folder name. Our directory created. Now ls and see our directory here. Change directory. To change directories, use cd. This command allows you to navigate to a different directory. For example, I recently created CyberNexus folder. I want to go in CyberNexus folder, so I will write cd CyberNexus folder name. Now I am in CyberNexus directory. Now if I want to go back, I will use just cd command. I using cd and cm back to our directory. Folder and directory is same. Remove files. To remove a file, use rm file name. Before removing, I creating a text file which we will delete. I am in CyberNexus directory. To create a text file, I will use touch command. For example, touchfile.txt. By ls command, we then see our text file is created. Now I want to delete it. I will use rmfile.txt. This command deletes a file. Use this command to remove unnecessary or unwanted files. Again, ls and c file is removed. Remove directories or folder. As to remove directories, use rmr directory name. For example, I want to delete CyberNexus folder. I will use command rmr CyberNexus. Now verify by ls. Directory is removed. Text Files section. Create and edit a file with Nano. To create and edit a file with Nano, use command nano space file name. It will open a notepad. Write it. I writing welcome to CyberNexus. And save it by pressing Ctrl+X. Then press Y and enter. This command opens a file in the Nano text editor for editing. Display file content. To display the content of a file, use cat space file name. This command shows the content of a file. User Information and Management section. Create a new user. To create a new user, we will write sudo adduser command. For example, I am creating a new username of Professor, which is my nickname, sudo adduser professor. Now enter your new password for Professor. Retype for confirm. If you want to fill information, then give, otherwise skip by pressing enter. Now press Y for confirming information is correct for new user. This command adds a new user to the system, allowing multiple users to have their own accounts. Change user password. If you want to change a user's password, you will use command sudo password username. For example, you changing the password to 123, you writing sudo password professor, enter new password, retype and confirm your password. Changing passwords regularly helps maintain account security. Display user information. To display information about a user, use command id username. For example, id professor. This command shows the user ID, group ID, and group memberships of a user. Display current user. To find out the current user, use Huami. For example, I using Huami. This is showing root. This command is useful to verify which user account you are currently using. Display network configuration. To display network configuration, use command ifconfig. This command shows the current network interfaces and their configurations. Next command is ping a host. To ping a host, use command ping hostname or IP address. For example, ping google.com, you can see packets are sending. Pinging a host helps check the connectivity between your system and another network device. Display IP addresses. To display IP addresses, use command IP address. This command provides detailed information about your network interfaces and their IP addresses. Basic Tools section, display command history. To display command history, use command history. This command shows a list of previously executed commands, which is useful for recalling past actions. Display system information. To display system information, use uname. This command is very useful to check the vulnerability of machine. This command provides detailed information about the system, including the kernel version and architecture. Reboot system. To reboot the system, use sudo reboot. This command restarts the system. Shutdown system. To shut down the system, use sudo shutdown now. This command powers off the system immediately. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share. See you in next video. Take care.